Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas. I am very happy to see you. Today we have a new story. The topic is a work day in the office. We will see two friends, Lily and Jake. They work in a big office. It is Monday morning. They are very busy today. In this video, the English is very slow. It is very clear. It is perfect for you. But we have a game. It is the Red Error Challenge. I made 3 mistakes in this video. When you see a word in red, it is a mistake. What should you do? Stop the video. Find the correct word. Write the time and the correct word. Let's see who is the best student today. Are you ready to start? Let's go.
Good morning, Jake. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I am very good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, but I am very sleepy. Monday morning is always difficult for me.
I understand. I need a big cup of coffee to start my day. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, it was great. I stayed at home and relaxed. What about you?
I went to the park with my friends. The weather was perfect. But now it is time to work.
You are right. We have a lot of tasks today. Is the elevator working?
Yes, it is. But wait, I am very thirsty. Let's go to the chicken to make some tea first.
Good idea, Jake. A hot tea is always a good start. Let's go.
This is my desk. It is next to the window. I like the view.
My desk is here. It is very clean today. Look, I have a new computer.
That is a very nice computer, Lily. Is it fast?
Yes, it is. It is much better than my old one. Now, I can work quickly.
I have a lot of work today. I need to write a long report for our manager.
Is the report difficult? I can help you if you want.
No, it is not difficult. But I need to check the documents.
Do you have the paper version of the documents on your table?
Yes, I have them here. Okay, I will make a copy of the document right now.
That is a good plan, Jake. I will start my emails. We are a great team.
Yes, we are. Let's work hard for 1 hour. Then we can have a small break.
I agree. Good luck with your report. Jake, look at the time. It is 11 o'clock already.
Oh, you are right. Time is moving very fast today.
Do you want to have a small break? I am a bit tired of my screen.
Yes, that is a great idea. Let's go to the office kitchen.
Look, our colleague Sarah brought some chocolate cookies today.
Wow, they look delicious. Can I have 2 cookies, please?
Of course, Jake. They are for everyone in the office.
Thank you. I am very hungry now. What about the drinks?
We have some fresh juice in the fridge. Or we can make more tea.
I want a glass of orange juice. It is very healthy and cold.
I prefer a hot drink. I will make some green tea for myself.
Perfect. This kitchen is a very cozy place to relax.
Yes, I like the white chairs and the big wooden table here.
Shh, Lily. My phone is ringing. I think it is a very important client.
Okay, Jake. I will be quiet. I am checking the schedule on my tablet.
Hello? Yes, this is Jake speaking. How can I help you today? I see. You want to talk about the new project. That sounds interesting. Can we meet on Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? One moment, please. I need to ask my colleague. Lily, are we free then?
Let me see. Yes, the manager is free on Wednesday at 2. It is a good time.
Thank you, Lily. Hello? Yes, Wednesday at 2 is perfect. We will see you then. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Wow, that was a long and serious conversation.
You did a great job, Jake. Your English was very professional and clear.
Thanks. I feel a bit nervous when I speak on the phone with clients.
Don't worry, you are getting better every day. Practice is very important. The weather is beautiful today. I really like eating my lunch outside.
Me too, Lily. The air is so fresh here on the rooftop terrace.
Look at the city skyline. The buildings look very small from here.
You are right. It is a great view. What are you eating today?
I have a chicken salad with some tomatoes. It is very healthy.
That looks good, but I prefer my lunch. I have a large pepperoni pizza.
Again, Jake? You always eat pizza. You should eat more vegetables and fruit.
I know, I know. Maybe I will bring a salad tomorrow. Today I am very hungry.
Well, at least you have an apple. That is a good start for your diet.
Haha, thanks. Do you want to share my pizza? It is still very hot.
No, thank you. I am happy with my salad. Let's enjoy our lunch.
Lily, can you help me for a minute? I have a small problem.
Of course, Jake. What is the matter? You look a bit frustrated.
The printer is not working again. I need these documents for our meeting.
Did you check the paper tray? Maybe it is empty.
Yes, I checked it. The tray is full of white paper.
Let me see the screen. Oh, look at the small red light here.
What does it mean? Is the printer broken or just tired?
No, it is not broken. It says there is no ink in the cartridge.
That is not good. Do we have a new ink cartridge in the office?
Yes, we have some in the big white cabinet near the door.
Can you show me how to change it? I don't want to make a mess.
Sure, it is very easy. First, you open this plastic cover.
Okay, I see. Thank you, Lily. You are a real office expert.
Jake, we are in the meeting room. Are you ready for our presentation?
Yes, Lily. I have my notes and the new documents from the printer.
Great. I will open the presentation on the big screen now.
The graphs look very good. We have many new clients this month.
I agree. Our project is very successful. The manager will be happy.
Should we talk about the office party too? It is in our schedule.
Yes, but let's finish the work talk first. We need a clear plan.
You are right. Look at the window. The weather is changing again.
Oh, yes. It was raining, but now the sun is very bright. It is beautiful.
That is much better. I don't like rain when I am at work.
Me neither. Okay, let's go back to our ideas. What is next?
I think we need more social media videos for our products.
That is an excellent idea, Jake. Let's write that down on the whiteboard. It is 5 o'clock already. Time flies when you are very busy.
Are you leaving now, Lily? I still have 5 minutes of work.
Yes, I am finished. I sent all my emails and organized my desk.
You are very organized. I need to close my laptop and clean my desk too.
Don't forget to turn off your desk lamp, Jake. We must save energy.
Good point. I am closing everything now. It was a long day.
But it was a good day. We did a lot of useful things together.
I agree. I am putting my notebook and pens into my bag now.
Great. I will wait for you at the office door in 1 minute.
Okay, I am ready. My desk is clean and the lights are off.
Perfect. Let's go. I am excited to have some rest at home.
Look at the sky, Lily. The sunset is orange and very beautiful.
Yes, it is very peaceful. The air is cooler now. It feels good.
Do you have any interesting plans for the evening?
I am going home to cook a nice dinner. I am very hungry.
That sounds lovely. What are you going to cook today?
I think I will make some pasta with tomatoes and cheese.
Delicious. I am going to the gym now. I need some exercise.
You are very active, Jake. I prefer to relax on my sofa.
I want to be healthy. After the gym, I will watch a movie.
What movie are you going to watch? Is it an action movie?
No, I want to watch a new comedy. I want to laugh.
Enjoy your movie and your workout, Jake. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow morning, Lily. Have a wonderful evening. I am on the bus now. It is very quiet today. I like this time of the day. I can think about my goals. My work is important, but rest is important too. Tomorrow will be another busy day. But now I am listening to some soft music. I am a bit tired, but I am very happy with my results today. It was a great Monday. Now it is time to relax and enjoy the evening.
Welcome back. Did you like the story of Lily and Jake? Now, it is time for a small test. I have 3 questions for you. You have 3 seconds to think about each answer. Question number 1. Does Jake have a healthy lunch today? The answer is no. He is eating a large pepperoni pizza. Question number 2. Where is Jake going after work? The answer is to the gym. He wants to be healthy and active. Question number 3. Was there a problem with the office printer? The answer is yes. The printer needed a new ink cartridge. How many correct answers do you have? If you have 3, you are an English superstar. You did a great job today. Following Lily and Jake was very interesting. We learned many new words about the office, meetings, and even healthy food. Now, let's talk about the red error challenge. Did you find all 3 mistakes? Remember, the mistakes were chicken, coffee, and sun. Write the correct words in the comments. I will check every answer. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot to make more stories for you. Thank you for watching Slow English Listening. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.